आज हम देखेंगे what is the OSI model and how it work. So it is established in the 1947. The ISO means International Standard Organization is a multinational body dedicated to worldwide agreement on the international standards, and ISO standard that cover all the aspect of a network communication is the open system interconnection, means we can be called as the OSI model. Okay, so it was first introduced in the 1970s. Note the important key points are OSI is a model, not a it is a organization. And OSI is a organization, not a model. Okay, next we see this one is the 7 layer of the OSI model. So सबसे पहला जो लेयर है वो है फिजिकल लेयर, देन इट गोज अप. सेकेंड लेयर इज अ डेटा लिंक लेयर, थर्ड लेयर इज अ नेटवर्क लेयर, फोर्थ इज अ ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, fifth in is the session layer, sixth one is the presentation layer, and seven is the application layer. Now these are the interface is shown between the layers. Now we see the details in the OSI model. So first, physical layer. What is a physical layer? It is a responsible for a movement of an individual bit from one hop, means one node, to the next node or another node. So it is a responsible for movement of the individual bits. So hop to hop communication is between the physical layer. Okay, now we see the data link layer. So what is the data link layer? Is responsible for the moving the frame from one hop to the another hop. So actually in the previous physical layer, here bit from one hop to other node is going on, and here frames are moving from the hop to hop, means node to the node. Then we can be say that in the data link layer, hop to hop delivery is a occur. Okay, now network layer. What is the network? In the network layer is responsible for deliver individual packets from the source host to the destination host. Now just recall the first layer. The first layer, your physical layer, is responsible moving the bit from the one hop to the another hop. Data link layer is responsible moving the frame from one hop to the another hop, and network layer is responsible moving the packet from source host to the destination host. Now next see the transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for the delivery of a message from one process to another. So here delivery is goes from process to the another process. Now session layer is responsible for the dialogue control and the synchronization. Then presentation layer is responsible for the translation, compression, and the encryption for the security purposes. Are these all the are going on in the presentation layer. And the last one is the application layer is responsible provide services to the user. Mostly users are interact with the application layer. So these are the all the layers, and here we know there are the total 7 layer of the OSI model, and each layer have a important responsibility in a networking. So thank you so much.